Today, we'll walk you through using Zoom Phone Appliance on the CCX 600 and CCX 700 phones. While all OpenSIP CCX phones are certified with Zoom, the CCX 600 and CCX 700 can be updated to run Zoom natively as an app on the phone. The CCX 700 comes fully equipped with an integrated camera and privacy shutter. The CCX 600 does not have an integrated camera, but can be video-enabled by adding a CCX 600 camera kit that includes a camera, a cable, and a camera mount accessory that attaches to the CCX 600. To use Zoom Phone Appliance on your CCX phone, you must have a Zoom user account that is licensed for Zoom Phone. If your phone does not have a sign-in screen that looks like this, ask your IT department or service provider to update the phone to run Zoom Phone Appliance. To sign in with email, tap Sign In, then Sign In with email. You can use the CCX phone's soft keyboard to complete the login. Alternatively, you can choose to sign in from a web browser if you prefer your PC keyboard. Take note of the pairing code and open a browser and navigate to zoom.us/pair and log in with your Zoom account. Then, follow the instructions to confirm your account and complete the login process. If the phone has hot desking enabled, guest users will be able to sign in using a PIN code. From the home screen, tap on Meet to start an unscheduled Zoom meeting, or tap on Join to join a Zoom meeting with a meeting ID that you might have in an email or your smartphone. With calendar integration, pre-scheduled Zoom meetings will appear on the home screen at the meeting time. Once in a meeting, you can access all the familiar in-meeting controls, such as mute and start or stop video. Start video escalates a voice call to a video call. Use the View button to choose between speaker, thumbnail, and gallery view layouts. Select Whiteboard to do whiteboarding from your phone. The More button lets you access security controls, manage participants, and start or stop recording. Next, let's look at call features. To manually dial a call, select the keypad. You can also dial a call from your contacts or call history, which will show in a minute. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll see lines that are provisioned on your phone. You can also set your availability or do not disturb by pressing the diagonal arrow next to your account name under lines. Once in a call, several options pop up. You have the keypad. You can put the call on hold. If you select transfer, you have 3 options. Direct transfer is the same as a blind transfer, which means you would not talk to the person you are transferring to before making the transfer. A warm transfer allows you to talk to the person you are transferring the call to first. Voicemail sends the call directly to the voicemail of the person you are transferring to. To add additional participants to the call, press Add Call. Then either enter the number manually or search your contacts. Tapping More gives you the option to mute, adjust audio settings, meet on video, park, and record the call. You can view your recent calls under History. This can be useful if you need to return a call or quickly find people you frequently talk to. Voicemail is where you view and play voicemail messages. Select Contacts to search for contacts by name or number. Contacts are synced between your Zoom desktop client and phone app. Choose a contact to bring up their card. From here, you can access the Meet and Call buttons. The More button at the bottom left of the home screen lets you dial video calls via SIP or H.323 if, for example, you are invited to a video call that is not Zoom Video Call. You can access additional settings in the Settings tab. To read the Zoom Phone Appliance User Guide online, simply search Zoom Phone Appliance User Guide on the internet. Or you can use this QR code to access it from your smartphone or tablet.